How to reset the forgotten password on Life360. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Life360 application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. Next, it will lead you to the user interface of Life360 over here, just like this shown on the screen. So here all you have to do is tap on sign in over here. As you tap on sign in, you'll be able to sign in with either your email or your phone number. So I'm going to go on signing in with email, and then I just have to mention my email ID over here. Now as I mention my email ID, I'm going to tap on continue and it will lead me to enter your password. So since I want to reset the forgotten password, I have to tap on the forgot password option over here at the bottom of the screen. So tap on forgot password, and as you tap on forget password, it will lead you to a new page over here on the browser where you'll be able to share and reset your password. So you just have to mention your email ID which you would want to reset your password for, and then start verifying, then tap on continue. And as you tap on continue, an email will be sent to your email ID over here, and you just have to tap on the link and follow the instruction to reset your password. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.